We can see quite a bit of glass going up on this corner area of the plaza over here on Prairie and Century. But you can see it's pretty nice so far. Just kind of a dark theme, it looks, kind of dark gray and then dark tinted glass. Noticing a lot of people up on the roof, and I know some of you are wondering or asking about what about when it rains? How is the water not going to get through that? But I believe there is a gutter system that should channel flowing water out, and it will not leak inside. That's according to what I read about concerning these different panels, PTFE, ETFE. In between the panels, there should be some type of a system to collect rainfall and channel it out in a clean fashion. But you can see how this structure is a little bit more behind compared to this one that's starting to become looking a bit more finished with the glass and some of the final exteriors. And it's that time of the year right now in the mornings. The sun is right behind the Intuit Dome. But what do you guys think of the new signage? I thought it was going to be white, and then maybe they could change color or whatever, but it looks like they have a set kind of plastic glass or whatever is on the exterior of that, which is kind of a light blue color, I think. I like it. We have some new signage up letting people know that the Intuit Dome will be open in August of 2024. Of course, the NBA season doesn't start till the fall, like in October, late October. So I wouldn't be expecting a game to be played here until about that time. And then also in other news, the Clippers have been awarded the 2026 All-Star Game.
Right to the point here. So it is my absolute privilege to announce the 2026 NBA All-Star Game will be held here in Inglewood at this brand new Intuit Dome. Congratulations, everyone.
And festivities, the All-Star Weekend. So that'll be fun, possibly go to if it's not too expensive. That'll be in 2026. Doesn't look like a whole lot's changed on the pedestrian walkway. Looks like there is some scaffolding of some sort. Take a closer look here in a minute. See, they still have quite a ways to go here. Some of this excavation, kind of a foundation that they'll be laying. Wow. But down below on the west side, there will be a practice facility that they've been working on. Looks like they're getting close to completion. So, see, they're going to have some kind of a wall there, kind of a privacy wall, I guess. And then, who knows if they'll extend the sidewalk out further, I would assume. More walkway, especially on game days when people are milling around, as well as going across in the pedestrian walkway. Yeah, this structure here towards the northeast still has a ways to go. You can see on this other side of Prairie, they've pretty much eliminated pedestrians from walking on this end, sidewalks on Prairie. Only limited to this section, which is kind of a pain. But I was looking at the pedestrian walkway. It looked like there are maybe like some glass windows or something. But here we are, 102nd Street in Prairie. There's the Inglewood police roll by. And we'll see how this privacy wall continues across here. See some plastic tarping, and then we'll keep walking over here and see how far, if there's like a whole perimeter of wall that goes around the Intuit Dome. You can see the privacy wall over here. I don't know why I'm calling it that, but just kind of a little perimeter fence. And then you look across here is the VIP parking lot, which is going up now. Looks like there's a couple levels of altitude, a couple levels high. So we've seen that initial Intuit Dome sign. There should be another one, according to rendering, that'll go, I think, like just above that fence area. It'll be kind of like some landscaping. So I think it'll be pretty close to the street as opposed to being mounted on the actual physical Intuit Dome. And here's another shot of the VIP garage. Kind of hard to get some shots here. There's a lot of things in the way. But there is kind of an indentation here on the side of the dome, which will kind of allow this parking garage to kind of sink right into that. And it should be for all the players and anybody who's deemed a VIP. A little bit of scaffolding over here on the south end. And I got a FedEx truck backing up. Yeah, there's a few more workers up on near the top of the roof, but kind of on the edge, living on the edge. There's about 3 or 4 guys up there, and I'm wondering if they're working on the gutter system. You can see these objects that kind of stand out. I'm wondering if those are gutters. Or some kind of flashing or something. And we'll make our way through 104th Street, walking up towards Doty. And we're over here at the east end, and this will just about conclude my update for the Intuit Dome. Not too many left to go. Once we get to about August or so, might not be much left to report here. So for now, I'll just say so long from Inglewood, and I'll see you here next time.